picture po.
This is Baby Kay Jimenez.
Konti pa po. Ay, hello po.
She's an award.
Dito po. One. Magkaro, lookin po. Thank you po.
You look elegant.
Thank you po.
Hinahanap ni Rito Rodriguez. Panahon ko. Oo.
Miss Charo.
Ma'am Charo.
Ma'am Charo. Hello po. How are you feeling tonight?
Good, good.
Yeah. And
I'm honored to have been invited to be one of the presenters.
what can you say
I
na super?
wish all the nominees the best of luck.
Yeah. What can you say na super nag-trending po yung scene niyo with Tinding and Lena?
Aba, excited naman ako at inihintay ko ang reaksyon ng ating mga taga-subaybay ng Batang Quiapo. Di ba? At parang gustong-gusto nilang may gumanti para kay Marites.
Yes po. Sige po. See you later. Thank you.
Lani Mercado's here. From Cavite. Lani Mercado Revilla. Lani Mercado Revilla. Hello po. Yes, correct. Dito. Jordan!
Good luck!
Good luck!
May password ba ka?
dapat.
Supporting. Supporting.
Bigla ko shifting mo ha.
Mamaya alam niyo.
Okay, sige, interview natin. Good luck ha, good luck.
Ito po sir, sa red carpet, please. Ay, wait lang.
After po.
Pipicture ako.
Thank you po.
Dito sir, please. Thank you. Thank you sir.
Hinihinig yung labi ko.
Relax na agad sir.
Ayaw.
Sige po. Sige, pasok ka sir.
Direk!
Bumuli sir.
Hindi. Si Mick at si Linus. That's their name.
How does it feel na nominated ka?
Yeah, nominated for Best Picture.
Thank you.
How does it feel na
na nominated ka ulit as best?
best actress? Sa FAMAS naman.
Celebration lang to ng artistry natin mga Pinoy. So, enjoy lang tayo.
Thank you and good
Laking pero malaking
luck.
bagay.
Hi, Direk May.
Hello!
Ganda naman.
Miss Pilars.
Direk Pepe to. Thank you po. Good luck.
Good luck, Derek.
Thank you very much po. Very nervous po ako and excited po and very grateful po to even be nominated po here sa Taman. Kaya maraming salamat po.
Good luck! As you're excited, good luck.
Hello po.
Yes, sa stylist ko po si Ivan Beton. Thank you Ivan. Sobrang excited tayo mapanood na mag-perform today. Pero sino excited na makita dito sa event na to? Grabe, parang makita ko kayo mga roster ng mga artists na makikita tonight. Talagang excited ako sa lahat ng mga legends and idols na hindi lang makita sa isang event, di ba? Usually nakita ko mga age group ko, ganyan, pero dito tonight lahat ng legends na so excited to meet them all. Excited na lang sa performance ko dito. See you inside! Yes! Parang iba yung ano mo, business mo.
Yes, of course, may business din po tayo. So ito po, I'm wearing my design, my own design. This is Rivas design.
Right, Jared. Pero Jared, di ba nanalo ang Best Supporting Actor? Last year, tama? 2 years ago. Anong feeling naman na ngayon mag-host ka na ng tama?
Yes, lucky enough tayo na free host ngayon. Backstage access host po tayo ng Bamas. Kaya yung 2 years ago, nandito rin ako sa scene na nagbulwagan ito na sobrang ano tayo, no? Sobrang kinakabahan. Hindi natin alam na ngayon po ay isa na rin tayo Bamas awardee. At ngayon po naimbitahan tayo naman para maging backstage host. Kaya naman please follow and subscribe din po ang YouTube channel and of course the Facebook and the TikTok. And I'm here today of course with my co-host, my news for tonight. This is Mike De La Cruz.
Thank you so much, Travis, for having us as your backstage host. So, ano naman kayo mamaya kung sino-sino yung mga nag-interview namin at the backstage.
Yan at yung dalagan natin sa Facebook page natin yung post. After tumanggap ng trophy nila, fresh from the reaction, bababa sila, diretso sila muna sa amin at doon nila ibibigay yung mga nakalimutan nila o kung ano man yung mga hindi nila nasabi on stage. Kaya kami yung mag-interview, backstage access, powered by Stagers Channel.
Thank you so much, Jared. Mikey CSI. Thank you. Cruz, Best Supporting Actor nominee for Monday First Reading. Wow. Hi, sir! Ang cool na outfit mo, sir.
Got from Monday first screening.
Pero okay lang, sir. Talagang bongga-bongga pa. Sir, ano feeling ka ba nominee ngayon sa tama?
He's wearing like
Bakit ka ba ito, sir?
simple gray outfit.
My God, talagang mong bongga-bongga. Sir, bilang pang-apat nila to, ano masasabi na rin? Kasi maraming nashishika na nabasa ko
No, it's
kanina.
not. That's a simple
The
outfit.
industry daw is dying now. What are your thoughts about it? Thank you so much, sir. And good luck. Shimmering with diamond on sa neck is bongga. Ayan. With red lipstick pa. Hi, OJ! How are you? Ang ganda ng dress mo. Who are you wearing this?
From my friend, Nicole Laurel. Hello, I'm my friend.
Tapos makeup mo yes mo yan.
Yes, akala.
Bongga. So, nominated ka last year for Best Supporting Actress. And now, my God, ano masasabi mo sa mga nominee for Best Supporting Actress naman? Kasi yung mga nominee.
It's nice to be back, and I think the celebration of Mamas is not about winning. It's about, being together as one, being artists. Di ba nagsama-sama tayo because we love the art that we do, and that is being on film. And maraming salamat din po sa Bakas for sa continued sa suporta at pagkilala sa mga artista gumagawa ng pelikula. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, sis. You're wearing. You look so stunning. Thank you so much. I'll see you inside. I am fangirling right now. Mr. Piolo Pascual is here. Oh my God. I cannot believe this. Of course, Mr. Piolo Pascual is nominated for Malyari Best Actor. Agong Bursa, of course. Oh, ang dami nomination. Best Actor talaga, di ba? Of course, we have here JC Santos.
He's wearing a black top.
Hi, JC! Ang pogi mo! Oh my God! Sino ko ang damit mo tonight? This is your, ang pogi ng nomination mo, but
great opportunity.
Sobrang galing mo and congratulations on that. See you inside.
Easy, quick lang. Quick shoot, alright. Smile yan, okay, good. Dito naman pa.
My God! Sobrang gwapo mo. And congratulations. Nominated ako. Maligayang ka bumbura sa Orca. How does it feel?
It's a privilege to be able to, of course, be part of something this big. And I always look forward to catching up with, your friends in showbiz. So we look forward to it.
Thank you so much and good luck and congratulations. Thank you.
Yan lang, quick shoot. Picture. Alright, smile. I see you, okay, good. Sige, sir, sa kabilang side naman. Good, sir. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Ito, ano mo, you made it! Huwag ka na lang sa online, kasi yung mga streaming platforms. Movie industry ba ako style? Ano ba sa movie mo direct?
Ano, medyo mahaba pila na legend mo rin.
I don't know if it's lying, pero we're doing our best na filming kami. Solid ang mga industriya at nagtulong-tulong sa iba't ibang sektor para maging matagumpay itong Bamas Awards. This is our only way para ma-update, maangat natin ang industriya ng mga Pilipino. Pero siguro mas sila ang tanongin mo dahil sila talaga nagpakahirap. Ang hirap mamili ngayong ako napakagaganda ng mga pelikula na ako.
So good luck naman. And sure, nagkakaroon kayo po ako. Sir, how about you? What are your thoughts sa yung movie industry ba mo is style? Ano ba?
But everybody's looking for me. Especially now we have another.
From the Air Force One! Congratulations naman and good luck. Good luck. Picture mo isa. Picture mo isa.
Hindi kaya ang point.
So far, no.
Hindi ko na.
Jacob, come here.
Kuya, kahit saan po ako, sir.
Mas kailangan mo yan. Hindi natin mag-gets. Oo, yes. Salamat naman. Thank you. Maganda background mo eh. Chaleria. Okay naman.
Pwede ba rin ka lang ang kanila? Best child actor role. And you look so funny naman today. So, good luck. Nominated for Best Child Actor, right? So, ano naman feeling naman ng isang tama?
Dito po kayo. Wala na yung camera. Thank you po.
Because we have here Miss Snooki Serna Icon Awardee. Hello, Miss Snooki. Sobrang ganda niyo po tonight as always. Who are you working for?
Well, I was tired by dramas. I'm sorry, I forgot the name of the designer. Si Alvin Ramos, my wonderful Alvin Ramos style tonight. And my makeup, if you don't mind my saying so, is done by Jerry Caruso. And my jewelry is from my friend, Leah Bernardo.
Of course, sobrang ganda. And Miss Snooki, kayo po ay Icon Award. So sobrang talagang bong yung award na yun. Kasi ang tagal na rin po talaga sa showbiz. Ano masasabi niyo sa mga young stars ngayon? 50 plus years, grabe, hindi pa ako pinapangalan. Pero sobrang ganda niyo pa rin po. Sobrang ganda niyo. Para kayo 25 na. So, ang question na na. Okay. Ano masasabi niyo bilang kayo Icon Award? Ano mga thoughts sa mga ating family at mga gusto maging artista like you?
Well, ang una kong advice is that they have to love their craft. And then, kailangan pag nasa industriya ka na, you have to be patient. You have to have humility. You have to be serious about your craft. Kasi may mga iba na pumapasok for the wrong reasons. Yung mga ganon, I'm sorry to say, hindi nagpapagal sa industriya. Pero kung pinag-alala mo na mabuti ang ginagawa mo, minahal mo, nirespeto mo ang iyong trabaho, I think more than anything else, you will succeed in the industry.
Kaya naman tumagal.
And of course, that's not the song of the fact that everything is by God's grace. Pagka niloob sa atin ng Panginoon na ito talaga yung industriya para sa atin, no one can stop us.
Because I agree. Kaya naman tumagal po kayo ng almost 50 years in the industry.
54, 55 years in the industry. Thank God.
At tatagal pa, di ba?
May awa ang Diyos. Sana naman sa tulong siyempre ninyo ng mga bagong mga henerasyon at ng mga kasama sa trabaho. As long as you need me, I'll be here.
We need you. More years ka po. Congratulations po, Miss Queen. Congratulations.
Sa kanila naman po.
Oh my God, I'm fangirling right now. We have Mr. Dingdong Dancer from the very beautiful Miss Mara Rivera. Nakakahiya tumabi. So makatulistansya ako ng napakalayo. Kasi talaga namang Diyosa, talaga namang super pogi yung Sir Dingdong Dancer. Di ba? Kinakabahan ako. Sobrang ganda ni Miss Maria. My God. Sobrang ganda. At so congratulations po. Sobrang ganda mo, Miss Maria. Sobrang pogi. Ay, ang fangirling pala ako natanong, pero nag-fangirl ako sa inyo. Congratulations in advance.
Ay, sino po? Quick picture lang.
Thank you, Coco Martin.
Sir, excuse me. Okay, sir. Hindi lang. natin ba?
Dapat dun pa.
Ay, nag-jet lang sa ibang side. Tama. Abangan mo siya. Sige. Dito, mami. Hindi ka naman siya naman.
Stay ka muna dyan. Bakit stay ka muna interview kayo? Pasok dito.
Kasi ang genre, of course, Joaquin Dolores, awarded ka na Herman Moreno Award. How does it feel to already found?
Just na-excite ako sa Actually, ako na pictures. Without him, I would be here today.
Congratulations, of course, Carlos.